So after washing your rice, this is how your rice water should look clear. Use a butter knife. Yes, I'm done. Right, so put the gas people them. Morning to my lovely subscribers and to my regular viewers. Happy Tuesday to y'all. Hope y'all having a better Tuesday than I am. Yes, my gas did, my gas done. So just there it on the gas people. Hello. So guys, I was shooting quick and fast and I said I can put on some food. Yeah.
Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
So after washing your rice, this is how your rice water should look clear. So this clear and nice. Yeah. É safi, safi. Onion tomato time. Chop off them parts here. Wash it off with some salt. The black pepper. A piece of scallion. Piece of butter in it. Roll and roll and roll and roll. Fuck. That fuck. Watch it. One way they come out it. Nice and smooth. Right. going for the rice pot. Alright, rice pot, warm more water. Alright, boiled beef with cabbage and yellow rice. Plate number 1. Nicey. Strat, Dominus. Run, 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 run. America's Next Top Model. What is it, Chuck? Chat. For all my regular viewers who haven't subscribed yet, you all need to subscribe. Yeah, full time now. Especially if I watch my videos more than one time. It's time for you guys to subscribe. And guys, continue to share the video, like the video, and leave your positive comments. And also hit the notification bell for Amanda's reality. Alright, chat. So when I work with a little bit of the food, you know. And a full time I'm gonna start worrying about my waist trainer. It's full time now, yeah. You have to keep the waist intact. When my whole angry, the waist has to be kept intact.